Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best baby cabinet latches is probably one of the most essential investments for any parent eager to childproof their home. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of baby cabinet latches, exploring various types, from magnetic to adhesive, and everything in between. We'll be reviewing the top-rated latches, assessing their ease of installation, durability, and, most importantly, their effectiveness in keeping those little hands safe and sound. Number 5. Jool Baby Child Safety Strap Locks, 4-pack. Protect your little ones from hazards with these child safety locks. They are designed to keep kids away from things they shouldn't touch, and keep your belongings secure. These locks are not just for cabinets and drawers. They work on fridges, freezers, ovens, toilets, and trash cans. It's a versatile solution for childproofing your home. Forget about drills and screws. These locks install easily with 3M adhesive. Simply peel and stick, and you're done. The adjustable strap can be placed between 3 to 7 inches apart, making it compatible with various appliances and furniture sizes. This ensures that it fits almost any space. The slide and pull lock design is easy for adults to use, but difficult for toddlers and young children to figure out. It provides peace of mind knowing your child is safe. Whether it's your home, school, or daycare, these locks are perfect for any environment that needs childproofing. They are a simple and effective solution. What we like? This product is incredibly versatile, working on cabinets, drawers, and even appliances. It's super easy to install, with no tools needed, thanks to the strong 3M adhesive. If you have a variety of areas to baby-proof, from the kitchen to the bathroom, this is a great choice. What people say? These are easy to install without using any tools, and work flawlessly. The lock design is simple and easy enough for adults to unlock but complicated enough for a child. Installation was a breeze, no drilling or tools needed, just a satisfying peel and stick. Within minutes, cupboards, drawers, and even his litter and food bins were off limits to tiny paws. The adjustable straps fit perfectly, and the strong adhesive holds firm, even against the most determined mittens. Number 4. Skyla Homes Baby Locks, 8-pack. Tired of cabinet locks that are difficult for adults? This product is designed for quick and easy access for you. Installation takes only seconds. This product uses strong 3M adhesive, eliminating the need for screws or magnets. It's a simple and effective solution to childproof your home. This versatile product can be used on various items, including furniture, kitchen cabinets, ovens, and toilet seats. It helps keep your child safe in multiple areas of your home. The product is made with 100% plastic latches and 100% nylon straps. It's imported and built to last, providing reliable safety for your little ones. Skyla stands by this product with a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, you can even keep the product. Join millions of parents who trust it to create a safe home. What we like? This product is designed for quick and easy installation, saving you time and hassle. It's also designed to be easy for adults to use, while still keeping little ones out. If you're looking for a simple, reliable solution from a brand you can trust, this is the one. What people say? Easy to install. The latches are easy to use. They are very effective at keeping my toddler out of the cabinets. Number 3. Skyla Homes Baby Proofing Safety Locks, 12-pack. Millions of parents trust these locks to keep children safe. These multi-purpose locks secure cabinets, drawers, and more. They offer versatility you won't find elsewhere. This pack includes 12 premium locks with strong 3M adhesive. It keeps even the most determined explorers out of harm's way. Plus, it includes gentle degreasing wipes for perfect application. These locks are a breeze for adults to operate. There are clear instructions for optimal placement and strap adjustment. But for little hands, it presents a delightful challenge. These high-quality locks are built to last. When the time comes to move on, they remove easily without damaging furniture. Simply warm up the adhesive with a hairdryer for smooth removal. Trusting Skyla Homes never costs you a thing. If you aren't satisfied, we'll refund you and let you keep the product. Our customers trust us. What we like? This product comes with a complete kit, including degreasing wipes for a perfect application. It's easy for you to use, but tough on little explorers. If you want a long-lasting, easy-to-remove solution that offers peace of mind, consider this. What people say. These locks provide a strong level of safety and are very effective at keeping curious kids out of cabinets. They're easy to install and the mechanism feels solid. They work perfectly and were easy to set up. Easy to install and unlock. Number 2. Eco Baby Magnetic Cabinet Locks, 12-pack. Are you worried about your baby's safety? These magnetic cabinet locks from Eco Baby are designed to keep your little one safe from accidents. This set includes 12 locks and 2 keys. With this set, you can secure all your cupboards and drawers. The locks are easy to install and provide countless options for baby-proofing your home. Make sure every accessible cabinet is safe. These locks feature strong 3M adhesive tape. It will keep the locks in place, even with a persistent baby. Remember to clean and dry the surface before applying for the best results. Wait 24 hours before use. Forget about drilling and complicated installations. These cabinet locks are easy to install within minutes. The set comes with an instructional video guide and excellent customer service. Looking for a great gift? These magnetic baby-proofing cabinet locks are perfect for baby showers and gender reveal parties. It's a practical present that will help prepare expecting parents. What we like? This product features extra strong magnetic locks to keep your baby perfectly safe. Installation is a breeze, with no tools required. If you're looking for a discreet and effective way to baby-proof your cabinets, this is an excellent option. What people say. This magnetic lock only allows the door to open 1/4 of an inch at most, thus reducing the pinch hazard. These locks can be opened one-handed. The other ace for these locks is the ability to turn them off. Number 1. Child Safety Cabinet Locks, easy install, no drill. These cabinet locks are incredibly easy to install. You don't need any tools. Just peel off the film and stick it on. It's that simple. Forget about losing keys. These child safety locks don't require any. You can easily open the cabinets without the hassle of keys. These locks are designed for almost any cabinet, drawer, or closet. They come with a catch and latch system. Plus, they won't damage your furniture. The locks are designed to be hidden inside your cabinets and drawers. This keeps them out of sight and doesn't ruin the look of your furniture. Looking for a great baby shower gift? These locks are perfect for new parents. They'll be ready when their baby starts to crawl and explore. What we like? This product is designed for easy and convenient use, with no tools required for installation. It features an invisible design that won't detract from your furniture. If you're looking for a simple, discreet, and effective solution, this is a great choice. What people say. They were very easy to put on, but don't stick well with the peel-off backing. The enclosed screws were easy to use and make them very secure. This is an excellent child-proof lock. It is super easy to install and works without pinching your fingers. Works great to keep the little ones out of the cabinets. Strong adhesive and easy to use and install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.